Hello children, let us learn some sound. Literasi Bahasa Inggeris Pupil Module Book 2 Focus Ear. Say the jazz chant. Dear, dear, do come near. Yes, teacher, we can hear. How do you spell dear? G-E-A-R. How do you spell year? Y-E-A-R. How do you spell dear? D-E-A-R. How do you spell near? N-E-A-R. How do you spell reindeer? Oh no, we don't know. Let's do the action of the ear sound. Fan your hand in front of your nose and say ear, ear. Can you follow me? Ear, ear. Good. Okay, let us read together. Ear, ear. G, ear, gear. Again. G, ear, here. Y, ear, year. D, ear, dear. N, ear, near. H, ear, here. Very good. Okay, let us circle the word with ear sound. Where is it? This is the first one. What color you want to choose? Let us choose the blue color. Okay, this one, the first one. What sound of this? Yes, it is deer. Okay, the second one. Here. Okay, where is the third one? Can you find it? Yes, I found it here. What is the word? It is near. Very good. What else? Year. Very good. Where else? Yes, it is gear. It is gear. Okay, any more? Okay, that's all. Very good. Read, listen, and check. What is the word here? Yes, it is ear. Let us choose the purple color. Ear. Very good. Yes, it is gear. What is this? Yes, it is year. How about this word? Yes, it is dear. Near. And this one? Okay, it is here. Very good. Okay, see you next time. Bye.